everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change time on Waze application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Waze application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main home page of Waze, tap on My Waze at the bottom left. Tap the settings button or the gear button at the top left. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Planned Drives. Under Notification, tap on Timing. Choose your preferred timing, either to time to leave 10 minutes before or early and time to leave option. Once you do that, you'll be able to change the time to leave notification on Waze application. Now, you'll be able to receive notifications from Waze whenever it's time to leave for an upcoming planned drive or any calendar events. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.